Kushi.
The thing is that, dude, I have so many songs that I want to do.
If you can give me a cringe meter.
Obviously, yeah, ये सब नाटक है इसके. Fashion sense is zero. I'm not gonna believe what happened.
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Okay, so well, today is officially day one of being a 2025 bride. Well, apparently, because today is my first trip ever to go and see clothes. My mom is coming with me because I am the worst person to go shopping with, first of all. Secondly, my fashion sense is zero. Like, Shrey had to literally tell me, please don't buy yourself a black lehenga, which I'm not going to, obviously. But today's the first day that we're going to, like, there are a bunch of exhibitions happening since it's wedding season and there's just so much happening. And it feels great to be on the other side. It's a different experience because I'm always, like, behind the scene with these brides watching all of this happening, and I keep hearing, and my brides are so sweet. Like, each and every one of them has been like, listen, if you need any help, please tell us. Yeah, so, and they've just been so sweet about how you know, they can help me, and like everybody has like keeps sending me these like sales that are going on and stuff, and that's great because a person like me who has like zero fashion sense really needs it. So I'm on my way to Bandra because there are a bunch of sales happening today, and I'm gonna go check them out and see how it goes. I'm 100% sure that I'm not like buying anything today. There's obviously a lot of like 100 trials that are gonna happen before I finally finalize anything. I mean, I take like 3 days to finalize a 10-second reel, so this is my bridal lehenga we're talking about. A lot of people even suggested going to Delhi because, yeah, I know that's totally the way to go, but I don't think we have the time. Everything has just happened super quickly, and I'm in the middle of wedding season, and I don't think that Delhi's happening. I would love to try though, but maybe next month. For now, in my beautiful Bombay, I'm gonna go and check out and see what is actually happening out there. So you're not gonna believe what happened. I was so excited to show you my first ever trial, but I went to this designer, not to like a store, like one of this designer that I like work from home, and I wasn't allowed to shoot anything inside her studio. And I almost think I have like found an outfit that I want, but obviously I didn't buy anything today. I like just tried on a bunch of things, and I was like already done in like 1.5 hours. And my mom tried on a bunch of things, and now we've come for a lunch break. So I've been trying to like intermittent fast, and my fast ended like 16-hour fast ended like 2 hours, like 1.5 hours ago. I'm starving right now, so I'm at Earth Cafe grabbing some healthy food on the go, and then figuring what we're gonna do next, because I need to go and meet my choreographer, Shirley School of Dance, the place that I've been doing Bollywood classes at. I'm going to meet him because I need to figure out how to go about this whole choreography situation. So I might be a little behind schedule. I may not be able to go to another store and just go to him directly. So oh my god, I've been drinking this ABC juice that I've been drinking at home also. It's a great addition to my bridal diet, and it really helps to make the skin glow. There's this green juice also that I have to start, TBH, but I can share this recipe with you if I haven't already. ABC is clearly apple, beetroot, carrot. I know it sounds like, when I tell people that I have this, they're just like, oh my god, ew. No, it's actually yum. And my food is here as well. I actually really wanted to eat eggs, but I didn't know this place doesn't have eggs. I was just so hungry that I didn't care to look at the menu. But my avocado toast is here, so I wanted to just get some healthy food in since I'm breaking my fast. Oh my god, today has been such a weird day because it was my first ever me going shopping, looking out for my bridal lehenga, and I couldn't do that because some change in plan happened, and now I'm going to meet Kiran, my choreographer. I was actually supposed to go to another store before I met him, but I think that isn't happening because my mom also had to be somewhere. So now she's gone, and I had taken a rig, which I love taking in Bandra. And I'm going to meet Shirley School of Dance to meet them and figure out my choreography situation. Even though obviously I know I'm doing all 90s ke Bollywood gaane, you need to kind of figure out the flow of the show and everything, and then Of course, the practices and all will all happen in me. So yeah. So the songs, Kiran, we will come to later. But you know my vibe, and that's why I've come to you, because I was like, dude, why will I go somewhere else when like you just know, like, so we will. I have a like basic idea of songs that I want to do, but then I also want you to suggest the flow and suggest like, oh, you can also do this, oh, you can also do that.
If you can give me a cringe meter, like this is the meter for me. Like it's on the scale of
It's
9.
there, Kiran. Sky's the limit. Okay, so sky's the limit for cringe.
So you must have thought at least for yours, na?
So for the Mehndi, I haven't thought yet, but for the main wedding, dude, what are you making faces? Naila over there will be crying in a corner. Okay, and
With brother?
that's why I don't know. I have to do one of my siblings, but I don't know, like, haven't.
Brother के साथ कैसा है?
Have heard
So we'll keep it out of meter then, no relation. I say we'll keep it like a fun thing with your bro.
Yeah, we can think of a song. I haven't yet thought of it, but I want to do something with my siblings and then only with Naila. I can't remember, but I'll
No
tell you.
problem. Also give me some time. We're putting into a situation with the camera on. Also, I'm just little.
Can I stop it? Huh?
I
Since
didn't,
when
but
you
I do
have
the
problems with
research,
camera?
no?
Huh, yeah, that we do.
So
What I'm saying is, oh yeah, by the way, I want to tell you, this is a very cringe idea. I thought I'd run it by you. So,
the dancing. Very, but
yeah, he has to dance. I told him. Yeah, so we'll do a togethers dance where we have to. So if we have to do one emo song, just that part.
okay.
That part of the. It's only that much the song. You know where it's from.
Yeah.
Yeah? That,
आईरे खुशी भी कर देना. खुशी.
I don't want to watch anybody else now. I mean, we'll see now. Okay.
No, it's like a 1 hour class with me.
But Kiran, we are not doing the full song. But you can't do minutes of each song. Day 2 of attempting to go and see an outfit for myself today. Everything's on sale right now. There are like 70-80% offs, and I have no clue about much because I've never had to go and check out a lehenga. And honestly, as you guys already know, that I don't really love dressing up as much, but well, abhi bride banna hai to karna padega. I've actually overslept today. I slept very late last night. I was editing some stuff. I'm gonna go check Azza and Jade, and hopefully I can see something today because I don't know how many of these runs I can do. I know it's not the easiest thing in the world to find your bridal lehenga, but it's wedding season and I'm pretty caught up, and I want to at least close this. So this one designer that I went to, I think I've almost closed my Mehndi outfit, but I'm not too sure. I still need to check out a few more options, and let's see how that goes. So I was supposed to go and see outfits today, which didn't happen. Instead, we are going to close a venue that we should have actually closed a couple of months ago. Listen, don't do this awkward. You're not that awkward, bro. Like, don't be so awkward, man.
Driving nahi, man.
Purposely, हाँ ये सब नाटक है इसके, bro. I'm training him for what's going to come in the future. So now we are going to one of the venues that I love, that I want to close for my baby, to figure everything out. I'm like, my heart is sold on it. So we're going to work that out. Bag. What? This is not candid. Okay, but listen, why is it so tough with these boys? Like, it's simple. Like, I was trying to decide a timing because like Mehndi is like afternoon, right? Like, it has to be like an afternoon thing, like either like a 1 to 5 or a 12 to 4. He wants to do evening, and it's anyway going to be the monsoon. I want some nice outdoor pictures, and when I told him that we have to come here earlier, why to take pictures and do a photo shoot, clearly has not understood that. Lol. Paddy and I'm actually making a checklist with him about things I want to do for my wedding songs, and he's the best person to help me. And
before marriage should have been like Ishq de Gali, which is no entry.
there you go.
No,
He's approving all my music.
Huh?
We're literally
Beginning one.
Nah, I really want to do that. But the thing is that, dude, I have so many songs that I want to do.
Because the first would be like, when you were a small girl, Ishq de Gale Vich No Entry, then Kaata Laga.
Lol. I'm on my way to shoot. I'm actually gonna do makeup for someone special today. She's a celebrity and I'm very excited. I am on my way and eating lunch. I have keema in my dabba. I had to carry a dabba today because I'm actually trying to intermittent fast like a couple of times in the week. So it wasn't time for me to eat yet when I was leaving home. So I'm carrying my protein lunch in the car. And I'm doing all this because I'm in my bridal era. So I'm gonna take you through the day and show you how it went. I'm eating some keema and oats chilla. I'm trying to be super healthy. I don't eat much non-veg, but I know I have to at this point in my life to get all the protein in. So I'm eating chicken keema and I love keema. That's the one thing I love in all the, if I had to choose keema every single day I would. Carrying some nariyal pani for later and some chas for to have with lunch. Okay guys, I'm here today with the lovely Pooja Chopra.
Hi.
And she is getting ready for an event wearing this beautiful outfit and I'm super excited to do her makeup. We're done in less than 30 minutes. Actually, you had done your base, so that's amazing. She did an amazing job with her makeup. And now we're starting hair. Oh, with your base.
Base is, I just take a sponge and I like.
Base is the most important thing in any makeup look. If your base is bad, everything else is bad.
For me, I don't know, for some strange reason, I feel it's the hair.
Yeah,
If the
for
hair
sure,
is
for
not
sure.
in
Even the
place,
hair.
then.
Kidhar hai plug? Pochega.
Didi.
One sec. Takes an arms.
Because I think composition of the dress.
God, it's been one hectic day. I really thought I was gonna finish in an hour, but shoots. I feel like these coastal roads are great, but the traffic has just increased in Bombay. I don't know, there are like these junctions that are like always packed, and there was traffic on the ceiling. I have been seeing traffic on the ceiling of late so much now. It's crazy. Like, it's insane. I mean, I'm sure it's all gonna get better, but everything is dug up. And I've taken almost 2 hours to reach home because I was at Malad also. Didn't think I could have reached home any earlier, but it's insane. Tomorrow, hopefully, I'm gonna go and look for an outfit so I can have an outfit on my wedding. I am like the worst person to shop with. Do you agree? Am I the worst person to shop with? Yes. Guys, it's too crowded.